Hi everyone, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today, Friday market, May 12th. Every day we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Around 12 p.m. we have received a buy call at 11:58. We can say that buy call started from 43,525. Straight white line from green color candle, that line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above are for target line, first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Like this, every day it will automatically analyze the market movement and give some automatic calls. You can just watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Like you are watching the video, you are going to watch the chart. The calls will come like take the entry here, the exit points are first target, second target will be here, and the red color line will be the stop loss. Like that, every day it will generate calls in live market. It's specially made for intraday trading, and it's based on we are using in 1 minute chart, so we are saying it as a scalping strategy because it will analyze each candle very minutely. Whenever a slight movement happen in upper side or a downside, the calls will be generated. It's a pure automatic process. You can watch and get the calls. You can do manual trading as well as auto trading also. For plan detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the plan details. Today we have received the buy call. This buy call at 11:58 buy call is 43,525. The call started. First target 633, 108 point first target range. After 130 we can say it has able to break out the first target range, but it took more than a 1 hour, very slow market, sideways market. During first 1 hour market traded in a 30 point momentum only, very flat momentum. Then after 1 o'clock only market started to move in bullish direction. After 1:30 it's a very successful momentum in bullish direction, and market can able to break out all the second target also. Like this today, this 12 p.m. buy call generated and break out the target. 51 minute chart. In Nifty chart at 18,305 buy call started. The first target range is 18,351, but it took more than 2 hours. After 2 hours only it successfully break out the first target. Nifty is very slow momentum than the Bank Nifty chart. So the first target range is it's a 45 point first target. Just to move a 45 point, it took more than 2 hours. Like this today, buy call generated at Nifty in 12 p.m. also break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.